In today's video, I'm going to talk about high ticket affiliate marketing. So what's that about? So affiliate marketing, as you know, you get a link when you are promoting a product, and every time the new customer clicks on that link, then you get paid a commission or a referral fee. So Mr. Brown is the customer. So he's clicked on the link and he's bought a product worth $10, £10, whatever, I don't know my audience here. So I'm in the UK, so I deal in sterling, but if you're in the US, obviously your dollars. So they've clicked on the link and Mr. Brown has bought a £10 item. But then there are various upsells, okay? So it could be, for example, he could have bought, I've used this example before, like an outside floodlight, okay, for £10. But then it could be a ride-on lawnmower, random example. So I don't know how much ride-on lawnmowers are, but let's say they're about £5,000, okay? So he's decided he wants to buy one of those 6 months later. Now, I know that with this company, I've got that customer for life. So whatever future purchases, and again, you have to check with the companies that you're dealing with. So this is your due diligence. This is when you need to be a bit savvy. So I know that Mr. Brown is my customer for life with that company. So if he buys any more products that are any value, but especially high value, I still get paid the commission. So say I'm on 30% commission and he buys the ride-on lawnmower for, let's call it £5,000. Whoopee-doo. And then I just get a notification to say, ping, you've got a commission for, can't do the maths, you've got a commission for that amount, and you go, thank you very much. So that's one example. So that's more like an upsell, okay? Now, other high ticket affiliate marketing can be coaching, courses, these kind of programs, software that they might have started with £100 for something for the computer. I'm not really techie. And then, but they need this complete antivirus, anti this, anti that, anti the other. Oh, and by the way, that's £2,000. And then they purchase that. So again, if you've got that customer for life, whatever upsell or whatever high ticket, or they could start with learn how to do affiliate marketing, for example. They've purchased a $7 course, brilliant, it works, they're getting commissions, and then they say, oh, well, you can purchase another course, but this one's £300 or $300 or whatever. And then they go, yeah, I want to buy that because I know your stuff works for me. So let's do it. And then they'll go, oh, well, we can do mentoring, we can do coaching programs, but they're going to be £1,000, $1,000 or $5,000. And then can you see how it goes up and up and up? They call it a value ladder. You start here and it goes up. No, there's no twisting the arm behind the back and saying you will do it. It's like it's a progression because they've seen the value. They've seen that this works for them, and they are happy to purchase higher priced products, whatever they may be. That is high ticket affiliate marketing, and I can help you with that. Find the companies that provide high ticket affiliate marketing. So you really don't need a lot of products to promote, a lot of customers, a lot of sales funnels to build. You only need a couple, and you just sit back because you've done your job. You've got new customers in at the bottom level, and you just let that company take care of them. That's it. That's affiliate marketing. So if you have found value in this video, please like and subscribe and press the bell notification, and you will get a notification with my next step-by-step video tutorial about affiliate marketing.